Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we have something absolutely extraordinary to show you that's going to blow your mind. What you're looking at right now is not your typical luxury vehicle, this is the future of mobile living on wheels, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. This is a concept that pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible in automotive design and luxury travel. So buckle up because we're about to take you on an incredible journey through every aspect of this magnificent machine. Let's start by talking about what makes this vehicle so incredibly special from the outside. The exterior design is nothing short of revolutionary. This is a double-decker luxury bus that looks like it came straight out of a science fiction movie. The aerodynamic profile is absolutely stunning with sharp angular lines and aggressive styling that makes it look more like a spaceship than a road vehicle. The front fascia features a bold geometric design with distinctive LED lighting elements that give it an unmistakable presence on the road. The windscreen wraps around seamlessly, creating this futuristic cockpit aesthetic that's both functional and visually striking. Moving along the sides, you'll notice the massive panoramic windows that span both levels of this vehicle. These aren't just regular windows, they're engineered to provide maximum visibility while maintaining structural integrity and climate control. The body panels flow together in this cohesive design language that emphasizes speed and luxury simultaneously. The lower portion features these incredible angular air intakes and sculpted elements that aren't just for show, they actually serve aerodynamic purposes to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency at highway speeds. The wheels are absolutely massive custom-designed alloys that look like they belong on a supercar rather than a bus, and they're fitted with performance tires that can handle the weight and power of this beast. Now let's talk about stepping inside this incredible machine, because this is where things get really interesting. When you enter through the side doors, you're immediately greeted by an interior that rivals the finest luxury hotels in the world. The lower level features premium seating arrangements with what appears to be executive-class airline seats that recline fully and offer massage functions, heating, cooling, and every comfort feature you can imagine. The materials used throughout are top shelf, we're talking about genuine leather, carbon fiber accents, brushed aluminum trim, and soft touch surfaces everywhere your hand might rest. The upper deck is where this vehicle truly shines as a luxury living space. Climbing the internal staircase, which itself is a piece of art with integrated LED lighting and premium finishes, you arrive at what can only be described as a mobile penthouse suite. The layout can be customized but typically includes sleeping quarters with a full-size bed, a compact but fully functional kitchen area, a lounge space with entertainment systems, and even bathroom facilities that you'd expect to find in a luxury RV. The ceiling height on both levels is surprisingly generous given the aerodynamic profile, and the panoramic roof sections can be equipped with electrochromic glass that tints on demand to control light and heat. The technology integration throughout this vehicle is absolutely cutting edge. Multiple screens provide entertainment options, connectivity is handled through 5G systems with Wi-Fi throughout the vehicle, and there's a sophisticated infotainment system that controls everything from climate to lighting to window opacity. The driver's cockpit up front is like a command center with digital displays replacing traditional gauges, providing real-time information about every system in the vehicle. Speaking of performance, you might be wondering how something this large and luxurious actually moves down the road. While specific powertrain details can vary depending on configuration, these types of vehicles typically utilize powerful diesel engines or increasingly, hybrid and electric powertrains. We're looking at somewhere in the range of 400 to 600 horsepower depending on the variant, with massive torque figures necessary to move the considerable weight smoothly. The transmission would be an advanced automatic system, likely with 8 to 12 speeds optimized for both efficiency and performance. Despite the size, the engineering ensures that acceleration is surprisingly brisk and highway cruising is effortless and refined. The suspension system is absolutely critical in a vehicle like this, and it features advanced air suspension that can adjust ride height and damping automatically based on road conditions and load. This ensures that passengers experience a smooth, comfortable ride regardless of whether they're sitting, standing, or sleeping. The braking system is equally impressive with large disc brakes all around and advanced safety systems including collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. A vehicle of this caliber doesn't come cheap. While exact pricing can vary dramatically based on customization and specifications, you're looking at a starting price somewhere in the range of $1 to $3 million for a base configuration. Fully loaded examples with every luxury feature and custom interior work can easily push well beyond $5 million. This puts it squarely in the territory of the most exclusive luxury vehicles on the planet, competing not with regular buses or RVs but with private jets and yachts in terms of luxury and exclusivity. This represents the absolute pinnacle of what's possible when engineering meets luxury meets imagination. It's a statement piece, a mobile mansion, and a glimpse into the future of luxury travel all rolled into one incredible package. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing automotive content.